Hey my family, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the best thing you have ever heard. Just want this video is mostly about my subscribers. Some of y'all do not know how many I have, but I'm going to tell y'all in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have 53. So y'all just missed it. I was talking to y'all, but the thing wasn't moving, and then I noticed it was paused. So thank y'all for all the support, and I'm gonna show y'all what I would do if this was an award ceremony for YouTubers. Hold up. I just want to thank y'all for this trophy and this beautiful emoji pillow. And this beautiful trophy with my name on it. Alright guys. Love y'all. Thumbs up this video, view it, subscribe, and comment. Thank y'all for the subscribers. I'm so glad that we could work this thing out. This is the most I done had. I had 0 before. When I hit 1 subscriber, I was like, oh my god, now I'm at 53. That's better than 1. So I just want to say thank y'all for all y'all support, and I hope y'all watch my videos and don't just do a sub for sub with me. Cause if you do a sub for sub, I watch everybody that I sub. I watch their videos no matter what, even if I don't know them. I watch their videos because they're really funny, or cool, or awesome, or boring. I'm just kidding, they're not boring. But yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all thank you. And about vacation. I'm going on vacation this Friday. Need to pack. Why not? Need to pack. But hold up. I need to pack. But on the way to Florida, on the way to vacation, I will not be vlogging until I get there. Cause if I vlog to there, like it take 5 hours to get there, and we will be stopping constantly. So when I vlog to get there, okay, say in 2 hours I go to sleep. My phone is gonna cut off and it's not gonna be paused. Then I gotta paste the edit. It just gotta take like 2 days. I can't wait to post it. I just can't spend my whole vacation trying to post stuff for y'all to see. But I will when I get there. If I don't forget, but I will vlog when I get there. Be like, hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have made it to my condo. Oh well. So, yeah, I just want to say thank y'all for the support all this video was about. This one will have an intro. So, hope y'all like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. You don't have to comment. Comment good stuff, though, because I do not like bad stuff. But you comment. Don't tell nobody. But if you comment some hate stuff, I will be doing a video on you. A video, and you will get a shout out for having a hate comment. Because I want to feel, I don't want no hate comments. But I want to feel what it feels. I want to see what it feels to see what hate comments are. So, yeah. Oh, and the outfit of the day is just a regular bun, a shirt, some shorts with this on it, tassels, and flip-flops again. So, yeah, bye.